Hi everybody, welcome to Carol's Art Room. Today I got a little anxious. I came down early, still in my PJs. I wanted to do a bloom with 3 colors and turquoise. I've done that. Now I liked it so much that I want to do one with pink. So black, white, and I'm going to use a piggy. So I'm going to use fairy floss, and I'm going to use a pink cell activator also on a 10 by 10 canvas. And I'm excited to do it because I love the last one. So stick around and come and watch. All right, here I am. So here we go. I got some eggshell house paint. That I'm using. This is just straight eggshell. Okay, so let's get started. This is my I got one in here. Bang out some of those air bubbles. This is my This Little Piggy fairy floss. I think it needs a little bit more water. I just made this up. So what I'm doing is, instead of using black, white, and this pink, I put the color down first, because when the colors that are down first, when you blow, pops up the colors from underneath. If I did the pink on the top, it wouldn't be as many pink cells. A little bit more water. That's pretty good right there. This is a really nice pink. It looks like candy. Okay. I'll break a few of the big air bubbles that I can see. Still quite a few. That's because I just mixed it. It's always a good idea to mix your paints the day before, but sometimes you just can't. So I've got my black. This is LIQUITEX Basics. LIQUITEX Basics Mars Black. Probably good enough black. And now I have some white. This is Amsterdam Titanium White. All right, now I have, this is Cell Activator, and it's Persian Rose by Amsterdam and Red Violet Light, Permanent Red Violet Light by Amsterdam, mixed together with Australian FLOETROL. And this is Lamp Black, I believe. I'm going to put the pink first and then the black. And then I got the black. I use my hair dryer with my funnel on the end on cool. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, I thought more pink would show up, but there's cells with pink around it. So it's quite concave in the middle. So I'll just let this It's getting there. See, I'll give it a little spin first. The other way. That's gorgeous. I like how it's gray too. The gray and the pink is nice. Wow. I love it. I love it. I'm just going to see if it's moving at all. That's pretty good. So I think I have enough paint off. There, isn't that pretty? Love it. It's kind of like a hint of pink. There you go. Thanks for watching my video. Come back to Carol's Art Room and see more blooms and swipes. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching, everybody. I should put the dried results at the end. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. So here's my dried bloom with the Miss Piggy in the bottom. Look how nice that is. The pink is actually showing more now as it dries. It's beautiful. Look at all those cells. It's wicked. Thanks for watching and have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.